Sonos doesn't launch a new product every month, or even every year, but when it does, they always seem to be worth the wait. Enter its latest speaker, the PlayBase, which joins the PlayBar in the home theater lineup. The PlayBase is designed to slide underneath your TV rather than mount on the wall like the PlayBar, and it's a beautiful looking device. Here are first impressions. Sonos PlayBase Preview. Design. Sonos has some fabulous speakers in its portfolio, especially the newer ones, but the new PlayBase is by far the sleekest of the lot. The PlayBase measures 720 by 380 mm and it is just 58 mm high, making it the slimmest speaker offered by Sonos. The company said the aim was to allow it to disappear into the home, and the new device certainly achieves this with no unnecessary details. The top of the PlayBase is smooth to touch and super flat, allowing for a TV and its stand to sit firmly on top, while the rounded corners of the PlayBase give an overall softer and consequently lovely finish. There are no apparent joins anywhere on the PlayBase, delivering a seamless look with clean lines that makes the speaker seem as though it has been created from a single sheet of material. All the internals are wrapped within a glass-filled polycarbonate exterior to ensure vibrations are kept to a minimum, and the speaker can withstand the weight of TVs up to 34 kilograms. But despite being plastic, it really doesn't look it. Instead, the PlayBase has a premium and considered finish that would fit in most homes.